Hey everyone, welcome back to TechTeam. Ready to transform your car for the ultimate ride? Whether your car is new or classic, these accessories are perfect for any car lover. Let's dive right in. One, Vantrue E1. Capture every moment on the road with the Vantrue E1. This compact car video recorder films in stunning 2K resolution with HDR technology and an f1.8 aperture lens for clear footage day or night. The built-in night vision mode enhances visibility in low-light conditions. With integrated Wi-Fi and a mobile app, you can view live recordings, download videos, and track GPS data effortlessly. The E1 also features voice control and parking mode for added convenience and security. 2. Wireless charging holder. Enhance your driving experience with this wireless charging holder. Attach it to your dashboard or vent for up to 15 watts of fast charging. The 360-degree tilt and swivel adjustment lets you position your phone perfectly. A powerful suction cup and 3M adhesive ensure a firm grip, while silicone pads prevent slipping and vibration. 3. Plasti Dip Rim Kit. The Plasti Dip Rim Kit is a liquid rubber spray designed for coating surfaces, offering a stylish and protective finish. This UV-resistant coating is easy to apply and remove, making it perfect for those who want a temporary yet durable solution. The spray creates a fashionable and robust layer that protects rims from scratches, corrosion, and other damage. With this kit, you can quickly enhance the appearance and longevity of your car's rims. 4. Brake Fluid Tester. Ensure your brakes are in top condition with this digital brake fluid tester. It features 5 LED indicators to show moisture levels in the brake fluid. High moisture can reduce braking efficiency, so this tester helps maintain your safety. It is compact and lightweight, so it's easy to store and carry, with an automatic shutoff feature to conserve battery life. 5. Children's Table. This kid's travel tray is a versatile accessory designed to keep children entertained on the go. It features multiple pockets for storing pens, pencils, and toys, and a transparent pocket for a tablet, enabling hands-free viewing. The removable drink holder prevents spills, while the waterproof surface makes cleaning up easy. This travel tray is perfect for use in cars, strollers, or airplanes, providing a stable surface for drawing, playing, or snacking. 6. TIG Welding Machine. This TIG welding machine is a versatile, portable device, ideal for professional welding tasks. With an efficiency of up to 85%, it can handle various metals, including low-alloy steels and aluminum alloys. The machine operates on AC and DC, providing flexibility for different welding projects. Its compact size and relatively low weight make it easy to transport, making it a reliable choice for professionals who require high performance and portability. 7. Door Stop Plugs. Door Lock Cover. Protect your car's locks with these waterproof and durable PP plastic door lock covers. Perfect for models like Toyota Highlander and Lexus GX. They shield locks from rain and corrosion while reducing noise and vibration. The precise fitment ensures damage-free installation, providing complete lock protection. 8. Windshield Sun Shade. Keep your car cool and protected with this Windshield Sun Shade. Featuring a compact curtain with suction cups, it's easy to install and adjust. The aluminized layer repels UV rays, reducing interior temperature and preserving upholstery, making your car more comfortable. Enjoying these gadgets? Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you never miss the latest in automotive tech. 9. Key Cases Key Cover. These high-quality TPU key covers with a chrome exterior are designed for VW Volkswagen keys. They protect against drops, scratches, and wear without interfering with the key's signal. Offering both protection and style, these key covers are a must-have for any Volkswagen owner. 10. Pickup Tool. This pickup tool is incredibly useful for retrieving small objects from hard-to-reach places. It features a flexible steel cable that can be bent at any angle, allowing access to the tightest spots. The tool has 4 claw feet at the end, which can be opened and closed with a push of a button, securely gripping the object. Additionally, there is a powerful magnet for attracting metal items. The built-in LED light illuminates dark areas, ensuring precise retrieval. Made from high-quality materials, this tool is both strong and durable, ideal for various automotive and household tasks. 11. Air fresheners. Keep your car smelling fresh with these adorable air fresheners. Shaped like teddy bear pilots and other fun characters, they're made of durable plastic. The silicone holder securely attaches to your car's vent, and the rotating propeller disperses a subtle, pleasant fragrance, making every drive enjoyable. 12. USB TPMS. The USB Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, is a vital accessory for modern vehicles. Designed for ATO Android-based car stereos, it displays real-time tire pressure and temperature data directly on the car's screen. The system includes 4 compact sensors that attach to the tire valves and a USB receiver that connects to the car's stereo. It provides clear, easy-to-read information and critical alerts for any issues. Customizable pressure and temperature thresholds ensure you receive timely notifications, enhancing safety and maintaining optimal tire performance. 13. Dog harness. This dog harness is essential for pet safety during car travel. Made from durable Oxford fabric, it provides comfort and security for your pet. The harness prevents pets from jumping out of windows or interfering with the driver. It features a removable safety belt that attaches to the car belt socket, ensuring your pet stays in place even during sudden stops. Adjustable straps allow for proper fit, making it suitable for dogs of various sizes. 14. Door seal strip. This door seal strip is made from high-quality rubber, offering excellent soundproofing and weather protection for your vehicle. It's easy to install thanks to its self-adhesive layer and is suitable for sealing the front and rear doors and trunk. The L-shaped design features a reliable seal and better fixation, reducing road noise and preventing water leaks. Its flexibility and durability make it a long-lasting solution for enhancing your car's comfort. 15. Carbon film. Transform your car with this sleek carbon film. It's a glossy, scratch-resistant vinyl that stays pristine for up to 10 years. It is easy to apply with a hairdryer and squeegee, and it allows for adjustment during installation. It's also UV-resistant, perfect for both interior and exterior surfaces, giving your car a stylish, durable finish. 16. Pneumatic brake caliper piston. Make brake pad replacement a breeze with this pneumatic brake caliper piston tool. It uses compressed air to quickly and precisely compress pistons, fitting various car models. Compatible with any compressor, it simplifies brake maintenance, saving you time and effort. 17. Fog lights. Drive safely in foggy conditions with these bright LED fog lights. They're durable, moisture-resistant, and compatible with 12 and 24-volt systems, handling voltage spikes up to 32 volts. With a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours, they ensure reliable visibility in adverse weather. 18. Bixenon projector lens. Enhance your headlights with the Bixenon projector lens. It offers a clear light and shadow boundary, improving road illumination and visibility. Suitable for various headlights, this lens offers a substantial upgrade over standard reflectors. The 3-inch size makes it compatible with many vehicle models, ensuring a broad application range. Installing a Bixenon projector lens is an effective way to boost nighttime driving safety and enhance overall headlight performance. 19. Windshield wiper armhole pad. Keep your windshield wiper armholes clear of debris with this silicone cover. It's easy to install and fits various car models. The silicone resists moisture, sunlight, and temperature changes, providing long-lasting protection and smooth wiper operation. 20. Car cleaning kit. Maintain your car's shine with the Chemical Guy's car cleaning kit. It includes a foam generator, wheel cleaning brush, microfiber glove, and cleaning products. From soap and wax to window cleaner and paint protection, this kit has everything for professional-grade car detailing, keeping your vehicle looking its best. 21. Extraction and fill pump. Handle car maintenance effortlessly with this extraction and fill pump. Made from durable plastic, it works with various automotive fluids like oil, coolant, and brake fluid. 6 different nozzles ensure precise fluid transfer, while the semi-transparent housing lets you monitor the process easily, simplifying fluid management. 22. 10-liter mini fridge. This 10-liter mini fridge is a convenient portable refrigerator, perfect for road trips and outdoor activities. It operates on both 12-volt and 100 to 240-volt AC, making it versatile for use in cars and homes. The fridge features heating and cooling functions with a temperature range from -10 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. Its compact size and lightweight design allow for easy installation and transportation, ensuring your food and beverages stay fresh and ready wherever you go. 23. Anti-theft tire caps. These anti-theft tire caps are designed to prevent theft and ensure the security of your tires. Made from durable stainless steel, they are lightweight and robust, providing reliable protection against tampering. The simple design allows for quick installation with a small hexagon wrench. Suitable for all car models, these caps are an effective way to safeguard your tires, giving you peace of mind that your vehicle's wheels are secure. 24. Stop signal brake light. Upgrade your car's safety with this Formula One-style auxiliary brake light, featuring 12 high-powered LEDs. It ensures visibility even on sunny days. The LEDs last up to 880,000 hours and are easy to install with just 3 wires. Mounted on the rear glass or body using a special clamp for an energy-efficient, high-visibility solution. 25. Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. The Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is a comprehensive solution for maintaining and restoring headlight clarity. It creates a durable ceramic coating that prevents fading and yellowing caused by UV rays, ensuring your headlights stay clear and bright for up to a year. It is easy to apply, and the kit is ideal for new and polished headlights. With its long-lasting protection, your headlights will remain in excellent condition, enhancing visibility and safety on the road. 26. Snow Joe SJBLZD. The Snow Joe SJBLZD is an efficient tool for removing ice and frost from car windows. Its non-abrasive foam head, measuring 18 by 7 inches, gently but effectively pushes heavy, wet snow off your car without scratching the paint or glass. The built-in ice scraper quickly removes ice buildup from the windshield. With an adjustable extension pole ranging from 30 to 49 inches, this tool offers comfortable and effective snow and ice removal for cars and trucks. 27. Circuit breaker. This 250-amp circuit breaker is essential for protecting your vehicle's electrical systems from overloads and short circuits. This robust device is suitable for various vehicles and marine systems, ensuring safety and reliability. It effectively safeguards critical components, preventing potential damage from electrical faults. With thermoplastic elastomer stud insulators and an enclosed design, this circuit breaker provides dependable performance under harsh conditions, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining electrical integrity in your vehicle. 28. FM transmitter. Upgrade your car's audio with this versatile FM transmitter. Connect your smartphone via Bluetooth to stream music or make hands-free calls. It also supports USB flash drives for more music options. With Quick Charge 3.0 technology, it keeps your devices charged. Simply plug it into the car's cigarette lighter for easy use and seamless audio integration. 29. Car Wash Kit. Keep your car spotless with the Chemical Guys Car Wash Kit. It includes a foam generator, wheel cleaner, microfiber towels, and high-quality wax for a protective finish. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for a professional-grade clean, ensuring your vehicle stays in pristine condition. 30. JB Weld KwikWel. The JB Weld KwikWel is your go-to super epoxy glue for strong, durable repairs. Ideal for metal, plastic, glass, ceramics, wood, and more. It resists moisture, chemicals, and temperature changes. Just mix, apply, and let it harden for quick, reliable fixes in automotive and household applications. 31. Fastener Remover Toolkit. Tackle tough jobs with this Fastener Remover Toolkit, featuring 11 durable accessories for removing door cards, plastic clips, and trim panels. It ensures no damage to your vehicle's interior. The ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. 32. Pop Rivet Gun Kit. Make body panel repairs easy with this Pop Rivet Gun Kit. The Pop Rivet Gun Kit includes 120 rivets of different sizes, making it perfect for body panel repairs. The rivets are made from durable aluminum and carbon steel, providing strong and long-lasting bonds. This kit allows for precise and efficient riveting, ensuring secure and professional quality repairs. The included rivet gun is easy to use, even for beginners, and the plastic case keeps everything organized. This kit is an excellent tool for automotive repairs, offering reliability and convenience for various applications. 33. Blind Spot Mirror. Boost your road safety with this handy blind spot mirror. Its tilt adjustments provide a wide viewing angle, minimizing blind spots. The durable adhesive base ensures a secure fit on your side mirrors, helping you see neighboring cars more clearly when changing lanes or parking, and giving you extra confidence on the road. 34. 6-Pack Trailer Jack. Ensuring your trailer stays stable with the Anderson 6-Pack Trailer Jack set, these jacks feature a magnetic connection for an easy attachment and removal, reducing unwanted sway and vibrations. Perfect for typical 2-axle trailers, they offer reliable support even on uneven terrain. Their robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, providing peace of mind for your parked trailer. 35. Document Organizer. Keep your car paperwork organized with this premium leather document organizer. It has compartments for insurance papers, car registration, driver's license, and other important documents. The sleek design includes a magnetic lock for secure and easy access. Made from high-quality leather, it combines durability with elegance, ensuring you can quickly find essential documents whenever needed. So, which of these incredible car gadgets caught your eye? Are you ready to upgrade your ride with these amazing accessories? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.